you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited. VineOh just arrived. Dun, dun, dun. Do you want to know what's in this seasonal box? Stay tuned. All right, you guys. So this box just arrived and VineOh did send me this for review. So thank you so much for sending me your seasonal box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys do not know, VineOh is a wine and lifestyle box. It's not just wine. So if you like the lifestyle products, you could always save the wine for if you have anybody that comes over to visit, or gift it to another if you're not a huge wine drinker, or if you're an occasional drinker. This would be great because then you'll have a few bottles of wine to last you through the season, and you have some lifestyle items in there as well. This also makes a great gift idea. Mother's Day is coming up. Just keep that in mind. If you have a mother or a grandmother or someone who's like a mother figure in your life, you could always send them one of these boxes as a gift, and this would be an amazing gift. Wine and goods, and whoo, let me tell you what my code is going to do for this particular box, you guys. So for my code, it's SheCrafty. SheCrafty is not only going to get you the 5 to 7 items that are normally in here with the 2 bottles of wine, but it's going to get you $5 off of that box, yes, and your 3rd bottle of wine for free as long as you keep that membership active. So for new subscribers, using my code SheCrafty gets you $5 off this amazing box. It's already low priced, and it gets you an extra bottle of wine in your box lifetime of that membership. 3 bottles in every single box. That's right. You're welcome. I am so thankful that they give you guys such a great discount to save you guys money. Get a 3rd bottle and now an extra $5 off. Unheard of. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what we're going to have. This is the bigger box because there's 3 bottles of wine in here. If you just do the normal 2 bottles, it would just be a little bit shorter than this box. So let's dive in. Let's see what's going to be in this seasonal box. They always take so much care in their shipping. I've never had anything broken from inside of like the goods box or any of the wine or anything like that. So they definitely do package it very well. The top you'll have, I struggle every time with this one. The top you will have, let me go back in there. Let me get it at a different angle. Telling you, it's stuck. So the top, this will be your goods. So everything that's not wine will be inside of that box, and then all the wine will be down below. So this is how it will look if you have the 3 bottles. If you don't have 3 bottles, you won't have this 3rd one, and then that box can go down more and it's a shorter box, but still that's how it would come, like this, if you had just the 2. So let's get the wine out. Let's see what wine we're going to be sipping on for this season. And then we're going to get into the goods inside of the box. Okay, so with VineOh, there's 2 main things that I do want to point out if you do not already know. Number 1, when you do sign up, you get to choose what type of wines you would like. So you can choose from red, you can choose from white, you can choose from a mixture of red and white like I do, or if you like your wine sweet, you can choose sweet. So there's 4 different options. And then when you are subscribed, you can change the address to where it goes anytime. So let's just say hypothetically you're subscribed, you get this box and you're like, you know, I want to send the next box to my mom or to my friend or my cousin or whoever. You can go in, change the address, and then your next box will be shipped there, and then you can change it back to you or somebody else. So you have the flexibility of changing the address at any time on where that box is going to be shipped, and I do like that. So going over the bottles of wine, I've got this one before and I really, really like it. Not only do I like the packaging and the label, but I like the wine inside. But it's like a little devilish, it's just a really pretty logo. I like it. So this is Wicked Bliss, California. You have a New Crush, California red wine. And I like how this is like a fingerprint, but it's shaped like a heart. It's like 2 like thumbprints. It's really, really cute. And then we have, this is a California wine as well. And yeah, so again, you have 2 Or if you use my code and you've never signed up before, you'll have 3 bottles in every box that you keep your subscription active. So that is awesome. So there's the wine. Now let's go with the goods. So down inside of here, oh, for me, yes. There's a sneak peek to inside of this box. So this is the Oh Happy Day. Oh, and they give you a recipe on the back. Sangria recipe for all wine lovers. There's a Moscato sangria, a red wine sangria, and a white wine sangria on the back of this pamphlet. That's cool. I've never seen that before. So that is really neat. Okay, so this is the Oh Happy Day box. Sip back, relax, and unwind. Sit back, relax, and unwind. So the wines, those are valued at $24 each. So that's already almost $75 just in those 3 bottles of wine. All right, let's go with what we see right on the top. Oh, it says back to you, maybe 13 by 13 microfiber washcloths. It's a 3-pack, and they say makeup on them. So there you have like makeup washcloths. That is really neat. It's a 3-pack. Look at that. So this right here is valued at $20. It says Host and Home Makeup Removal Cloths. And it looks like it would have came in 2 different colors. You would have gotten the black set, or it looks like there would have been a pink set. And it says Host and Home Microfiber Makeup Removal Cloths. Oh, cute. These coral fleece microfiber makeup remover cloths from Host and Home features thousands of tiny hooks to lift and trap oils that build up during the day. Use daily to gently remove makeup and bring your skin back to its natural shine. There are 3 washcloths in this set, so you will always have 1 towel to use, 1 towel to wash, and 1 towel ready to go. Oh, yes. 13 by 13, pack of 3, colors will vary. Special offer for this, you can visit hostandhome.com to shop more of their collection. Use promo code VineOh for 20% off your online purchase. Expires 8/31 of 22. And I like that it says makeup, because then you can't confuse them with other washcloths. You know exactly what it is. Now we have, it says pack of 6 Clip and Sip silicone umbrella drink markers. That is so fun. Like 6 fun colors, no mess clips, washable and reusable. They're also travel friendly. Transform any drink into a tropical treat. Pack of 6 colorful, festive mini umbrellas that fit snugly on the rim of your glass. This is valued for $12. This silicone design is easy to clean and eliminates the sharp points and clumsy ice mishaps of outdated paper umbrellas. 6 bright colors make them perfect for identifying drinks at parties for adults and kids alike. Oh, fun. Silicone reusable pack of 6. And that is just so cute. So it does have the little clip that you just clip on your wine drink, and then you can clean these, reuse them, and that is just a really cute and unique way to add a little fun little like tropical flair to your cup, and then also knowing by the color whose cup is whose. So that is really neat. That's something fun that I've never seen before, but now I'm glad that I have. So there's that. Now we have the treat. One thing you can kind of expect out of every seasonal box is you would get a really good, yummy, delicious treat to snack on. So you have, you know, something to pair with your wine pretty much, but their treats are just so good. I found like the best treats in this box. And you normally get a jewelry item, and then you have some other cool little things too. So for the food this season, we have Roll Breaker, plant-based and delicious, soft baked deep chocolate brownie bites, no nuts, great for school, less sugar, allergy friendly, vegan, non-GMO. Wow, okay. These are $5 value, and it says snack time is solved with soft baked brownies that are vegan, gluten-free, kosher, non-GMO, and free from the top 11 allergens, including nuts, dairy, eggs, sesame, soy, coconut, and wheat. Oh, heck yeah! Roll Breaker snacks start with chickpeas. They are the first ingredient, so they're packed with protein and fiber, have less sugar, and are deliciously guilt-free. guilt-free. Nice. And it says woman owned. So you have this treat. Let me take a little taste tester. I always have to. They're literally little bites. It started off a little dry, but then everything like mixed together as I was chewing, and it was a really nice soft little brownie. Guilt-free. I like that. I like that part. So we have some brownie bites to munch on. And whoa, the potted plant hemp herbal blossom body lotion. This is a big thing of body lotion, you guys. And look how pretty the packaging is. This is valued for $20 right here. Your skin will feel silky smooth with potted plants herbal blossom body lotion. This pillowy moisturizer, lush with natural hemp seed oil for wonderfully soft and subtle skin, has a clean, beautiful formulation that eliminates ingredients harmful to us and our environment using fresh, natural extracts. Cheers to beautiful skin with clear conscience. Oh yes. Vegan, gluten-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free. And the special offer for this one, visit pottedplantco.com to shop more of their collection. Use promo code VineOh22 with an explanation at the end for 25% off. Your online purchase expires 8/31 of 22. And again, that is a big thing of it. I love any type of a moisturizer, so I'm all for it. Let me get this opened. Okay, pop the top and you have the pump. I do really like that since this is a nice large bottle, it has its own pump on top to make it very convenient to get the lotion out once you start it. I gotta get it started. Ha! Okay, so, ooh, it has a really nice, like slight florally scent to it. It's really, really soft feeling. Very, very nice. And it smells really good. It's like a light, slight florally scent to it. So it's not too strong, but it gives you just a nice little scent. I like that. And again, I love a good lotion, and that feels like it's going to be great. So I love it. Okay, you guys, so there's still a few more items left, and now we have like the jewelry item. So this is going to be a pair of earrings. Let's get these out so I can show you guys. Ooh, look at these little tassels. Okay, so for the price on these, they are valued at $30. They are by Annie Austin Cream Tassel Earrings. And I do really like that these are a natural, like neutral color, because they can really much go with any type of an outfit. I've seen some subscription boxes will put like some bright, bold, like festive, fiesta like colors in there. And it's like, whoa, where are you supposed to wear those to? So I really, really like that these are just like a cream color that will go with anything. Very, very natural. It says that they're 3 inches long and 1.75 inches wide. Oh la la. These cream tassel earrings prove that natural doesn't have to mean boring. A new jewelry box staple, these tassel earrings from Annie Austin are the lightweight way to zazz up any outfit. They're tarnish resistant, hypoallergenic, and nickel free. These earrings will be your new faves in your jewelry collection. The special offer is visit shopannieaustin.com to shop more of their collection. You can use promo code VineOh30 for 20% off your online purchase from now until 8/31 of 22. So again, that's what they look like. I really think these are super, super cute, and I love this color that they chose. My ears are super, super sensitive, so I would rather pass these down for one of you guys to actually enjoy, but I think they are super, super cute. So I will love to pass these down to one of you guys. So there's that. Again, they're valued at $30. Okay, so there's one item left, and ooh, is it going to be a mug? I mean, a cup? Yes, way rosé. Oh, cute. And this one here says it's a 20-ounce. Yes, way rosé is the name on it. Obviously has a slight pink like ombre effect going up, so it's a really, really pretty wine glass. And it's a big one too. You can get a lot in there. I like the rose gold play with the pink. That's very, very cute. It looks like you would have gotten a different variation of different cups. It says Slant Collections wine glass valued at $14. And like, for example, that one there has like a gold font. It looks different. So they probably would have been sent at random. Put this in here and then maybe you can see it better a little. Well, the glare from my lights, I'm sorry. So this one says, yay wine. You will have so much fun at your next girls' night with your new wine glass. These 20-ounce stemless wine glasses come in a variety of light-hearted, funny sayings that are perfect to help celebrate any occasion. You will never miss an opportunity to sip wine in style with these wine glasses in hand. Oh yes, patterns will vary. And yeah, so again, this would have been sent at random, but this one is super, super cute. So I'm glad I received this one. So a quick recap for everything in this particular box, and this will have a guaranteed value of, I think, $173 if you get the extra bottle of wine and all of that goodies. Like, whoo! Okay, so you have this really cute wine glass or something comparable to it. You have a really pretty pair of tassel earrings. You have these, oh, let me show you then, because you can stick it on here now. I can show you what it will look like. You can stick this on here. Look. Look how cute. And you can just have your little colored little thing on there. So you have your set of 6 of these little umbrella markers for your glasses. You have some brownie bites to snack on, a large bottle of body lotion that feels and smells really good, a 3-pack of makeup removing washcloths, and you have 1, 2 to 3 bottles of wine. You guys, so that is everything for this particular season. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the items that they put in here? I'm actually really liking the earrings that they chose. They're super, super cute. I love the body lotion. We could all use lotion to keep our skin hydrated. Of course, you have a glass to go with your wine. This is a really neat idea. I just think this is a really, really neat box. And to save $5 and get that 3rd bottle of wine, this is a great gift for you to spoil yourself or another. And don't forget, Mother's Day is coming up, so keep that in mind. If you would like to ship this to somebody for Mother's Day as a gift, definitely do that while they're still available. That would be a great thing. So, I mean, I would love... If I was a mom, I would love to receive this box. I'd love to receive this not being a mom. So I just really love this box. So if you want a little bit more information about VineOh, I will let you know right about now. Again, my code SheCrafty will get you that free bottle of wine for as long as that lifetime of that subscription is active, and $5 off your very first box. It is normally $64.99 per season, but right now you can get it for $59.99 with that 3rd bottle. You can choose between red, white, a mixture, or sweet. You can pay quarterly or you can pay annually to save money on your box. And again, you can change your address in between to ship it other places if you want to ship them as gifts at some point as well. Then you can sit back, relax, and repeat. There's 4 of them every year. Only 4 because it's seasonal. So you get 2 bottles of wine, or 3, 5 to 6 full-size products of fun, rejuvenating, and delicious surprises. An incredible value of over $120 in every box. And again, it's quarterly, and you can gift it to yourself or for another. So that is everything for this particular video. You guys, comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the box? What do you think of the concept? What do you think of VineOh? Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.